Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Jupyter Notebook on Windows 10 operating system. In order to install Jupyter Notebook, first you need to have Python in your system. So let's do that first. I'm going to install Python, then Jupyter Notebook. So open your browser and type python.org on your browser search bar. Now under the Downloads tab, as you can see, it automatically detects my operating system. So click this tab that says Python 3.12.1. It will start to download the installer in your system. Now the download task is finished. Go to your Downloads folder and double-click the installer. Now check this box that says Add Python.exe to path. Now select this Customize installation option. If this one is checked, uncheck this one and leave the rest default as is. Now click Next. Here select Install Python for all users. If you would like to change the location for your Python program files, you can click this Browse tab and you can choose from there the location for your program files. Now click Install. If the app asks you a permission, click Yes. As you can see, the installation was successful. Click Close. Now open your Windows command line. Here to check if Python was installed successfully or not, type Python space -- version. As you can see, Python is installed successfully. Now check also if pip installed or not with Python. To check if pip is installed or not, type pip space -- version. As you can see, pip also installed with my Python. Now open your browser again. Here type Jupyter Notebook on the search bar. Now click on this that says jupyter.org. Now click this tab that says Install and scroll down a little bit. Here under Jupyter Notebook section, we are going to use this command. So copy this command and paste it on your Windows command line window and hit Enter. And this will install Jupyter Notebook on your system. Now to launch Jupyter Notebook, you can type Jupyter space Notebook. After you execute this command to launch Jupyter Notebook, if you got error message Notebook is not recognized as internal or external command, then you need to add the file path for the script folder in your environment variables list, and that should solve the issue. Now you can choose your browser for Jupyter Notebook. Now click this tab that says New. Now select the first choice that says Notebook. Now click Select. Now if I test it using print function, as you can see, Jupyter Notebook installed successfully. Thank you for watching.